Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks for joining me for my lunch meal prep for the week. So for this week, I'm going to be making a barbecue chicken bowl. So I am going to barbecue up my chicken, and when I barbecue it, I add on this cow camp seasoning. It is the best, so good on chicken, tri-tip, really anything on the barbecue grilled up. It's local to me in Northern California, but there's no MSG, gluten-free, 0 calories. So this stuff is awesome with so much flavor. So I'm gonna grill up my chicken with my seasoning. I am going to have cauliflower rice on the bottom of my bowl. You can use regular rice if you'd like, but you guys know I like to try and keep things low carb, low calorie a little bit. So I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna do some corn and some black beans. And then I have this no sugar added barbecue sauce. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I'm always searching for sauces and dressings that have no sugar added. So this one I found, it was really good. We tried it. This is actually the second bottle that I've gotten of it, but really, really good. This is just the original flavoring, but I just picked it up at Walmart. So it's really good. It's award winning, so I like it. And then I got some ranch dressing. So it's gonna be like a barbecue ranch chicken bowl. So I'm gonna grill my chicken first, and then I will assemble the bowls. Everything's super easy. You guys know that my meal preps are very simple, healthy. I'm just here to give you a little motivation to do some meal prepping so that you are organized for the week with a nice, healthy meal. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of meal prepping ideas, so go check out my channel after this video and see what other videos I've been up to. Lots of lunch and breakfast videos for you to get some inspiration from. So I'm gonna get all this made up so that lunch is ready for the week. Okay, so I have everything ready for my barbecue chicken bowls. I have my meal prep containers. You guys know I use these for all of my meal prepping. Absolutely love them. Glass, super great quality. I got them on Amazon, so I'll put a link to them in the description box if you need some new glass meal prep containers. These are really, really awesome. All right, so I have my barbecued chicken, and I just barbecued it with my garlic seasoning. So I'm just going to dice it all up, and I'm gonna cut it into some strips, and then into like some smaller bite-sized little pieces. So it is just totally ready. You don't have to worry about like having a knife to cut the food for lunch. So it's definitely can be like eaten anywhere really. So we love this barbecued chicken. Like I barbecue a pack of this a week, and we have it for like salads and sandwiches, and my kids like it. So this chicken is like a staple in our house. I mean, we eat chicken like all the time. It is definitely a favorite. So making a little bit of a mess here, dicing it all up, but we'll get it diced and all into my bowls, and I am super excited for this meal prep for the week. All right, so I'm just gonna use my hands to portion it into my bowls. Messy, I know, but easy, and you guys know all I do is easy. Alright, I'm gonna make sure they're evened out. Okay, so I'm going to add in, I have my riced cauliflower, so it just steams in the bag. It's in the frozen section at the grocery store. So I'm just going to, so I just steamed it and cooked it. It's totally ready to go. So I'm gonna put a few scoops in each of the containers, and you can definitely substitute this for regular rice if you would like. I love riced cauliflower. It goes with so many different things. All right, so now I'm going to add in my sugar-free barbecue sauce. I'm gonna drizzle this. I'm gonna do a drizzle of ranch dressing, and this is gonna be so good. Okay, so my barbecue chicken bowls are ready for the week. So easy, you guys. Totally simple meal prep, super healthy, high in protein, and just organized and ready for the week, which is definitely my favorite. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope that you have a really great rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.